Good evening, y'all. Trey here once again. Just want to show y'all my new rifle I got. This is a bad gun. Ain't no COVID in here. Can y'all hear me? I want to show y'all my new weapon. This is the new. Oh yeah. Detrimental. State of the art. Don't get no better than this. You can take out 12, 15 game around, you know. The ammunition, you know, you could put about 200 rounds in this gun. 200 rounds. Who ever heard of that? Check it out. Look at that wood grain finish. Even got the engraving and cursive in it. Red Rider. Yeah. But I'm a blue rider. You know what I'm saying? Cop that thing back. Put it on safety. Safety first. You know, this is just a beautiful gun, you know what I'm saying? Probably not shot about 2,000 rounds out of it, you know. The new Red Rider. Look at that. It's a beauty. From Daisy. Daisy produced these right here. You know, they so reliable, you know what I'm saying? They've been making these since like the 30s or something. When I think about like the 50s. So that just goes to show these been here for a long time. And they gonna be here till I'm gone. When I'm gone. You know what I'm saying? This gun done saved my life a lot of times. Out there in the woods. When squirrels, when raccoons be coming up. Boom. 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 You know what I'm saying? You gotta work on your speed. When you got in, when you loading that thing, you know what I'm saying? Cocking that thing back, gotta be like, boom. 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 Right back on sight again, you know what I'm saying? That's how we did back in the war. You know what I'm saying? Back when I was in Nam. Yo, crazy, you know what I'm saying? What? Huh? Yeah. I thought I heard some damn squirrels in the yard again. Them squirrels are always trying to get me. Just want to let y'all see the new Red Rider. Subscribe. More gun videos. Big Trey Dog.